everyone, and welcome to Medicare Tube USA. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. I'm Dr. Sandra Lee, but you might know me better as Dr. Pimple Popper. I've spent years helping people with their skin issues, and I'm passionate about sharing my knowledge with you. I'm so excited to embark on this journey with you, exploring the fascinating worlds of parasitology and dermatology. These fields are incredibly interesting and have a lot to offer in terms of understanding our health. You might be wondering why these two fields? What makes them so special and interconnected? Well, your skin is the largest organ in your body, and it plays a crucial role in your overall health. It's not just about appearance, it's about function and protection. It's a protective barrier against infection, helps regulate your temperature, and even plays a part in your immune system. Without healthy skin, our bodies would be vulnerable to a host of issues. Parasitology, on the other hand, might seem a little less familiar to many of you, but it's a field that holds great significance. But trust me, it's just as important. Parasites are more common than you might think, and they can have serious impacts on our health. Parasites can affect your skin, your gut, and even your internal organs. They can cause a range of symptoms and health issues that are often overlooked. Understanding these tiny invaders is essential for maintaining your well-being. By learning about them, we can better protect ourselves and improve our health. That's why I created Medicare Tube USA to make complex medical information easy to understand and empower you to take control of your health. Together, we'll explore these topics and more, ensuring you have the knowledge you need to stay healthy and informed. Here at Medicare Tube USA, we'll be diving deep into the fascinating and often overlooked world of parasites and skin conditions. We'll uncover the mysteries behind common skin problems like acne, eczema, and psoriasis, exploring their causes, symptoms, and the latest treatments available. We'll also explore the fascinating and sometimes unsettling world of parasites, delving into how these tiny organisms can impact our health. From head lice to tapeworms, we'll learn about their life cycles, how they spread, and most importantly, how to protect yourself and your loved ones from these invaders. But don't worry, we'll keep it light and engaging. Our goal is to make this journey through the microscopic world both informative and enjoyable. We'll use real-life case studies, amazing visuals, and even a little bit of humor to make learning about your health fun and accessible. So stay tuned and get ready to unmask the microscopic world with us. My goal is to provide you with reliable, evidence-based information that you can trust. No more confusing medical jargon or conflicting advice from unreliable sources. We'll break down complex topics into bite-sized pieces, using clear language and engaging visuals. You'll learn how to identify different skin conditions, understand the latest treatment options, and discover practical tips for maintaining healthy skin. And because I believe in the power of community, we'll also have regular Q&A sessions where you can ask me anything about parasitology and dermatology. Section 4. Join the Medicare Tube USA community. Medicare Tube USA is more than just a channel. It's a vibrant and supportive community. It's a place where you can connect with others who are passionate about learning about their health and well-being. Here, you can share your experiences, ask questions, and get advice from both experts and fellow community members. Make sure to subscribe to Medicare Tube USA and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. We regularly upload content that covers a wide range of health topics, from the latest medical research to practical wellness tips. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps us grow and reach more people who can benefit from our content. I'm so excited to have you join us on this journey of discovery. Together, we can explore the fascinating world of health and medicine. Together, let's unlock the secrets of parasitology and dermatology and empower ourselves to live healthier, happier lives. By understanding more about our bodies and the conditions that affect us, we can make informed decisions and take control of our health. Section 5. Stay informed, stay healthy. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about your body, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions about your health. So, join me, Dr. Pimple Popper, on Medicare Tube USA, your go-to source for all things parasitology and dermatology. Leave your questions and comments below. I love hearing from you. Until next time, stay curious.